Welcome to watch today's Fresham. This house evokes the beautiful summers of Amalfi in the Rambouillet forest. After Bach brings the atmosphere of the Amalfi Coast to life in an old house in Montfort. The color palette and materials echo the light of the Sorrento, evoking a fisherman's cottage with chic and natural simplicity. Taking care to avoid any rustic and traditional clichés, he will therefore ensure that it has the air of a casa española or a fisherman's house on the Amalfi Coast, a chic and sunny cabin, and that's what amused us. The renovation will be complete, very few old things will be preserved apart from the structural elements, and a very simple fireplace, revamped to give it a little Finnish feel with its black painted brick, like at the Louisiana Museum in Copenhagen, even Japanese, drowned in the patina of milk cream walls.